Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad for breakfast. Wash and dry fruit first, then chop into uniform, bite-sized pieces for easy eating. Mix sweet berries with tart citrus and crisp apples for texture contrast. Add a simple dressing of honey and lemon to brighten flavors, toss gently to coat, and chill briefly if desired for a refreshing morning treat. Start with a colorful base: berries, citrus, apples, and a tropical fruit like mango. Aim for ripe but firm fruit so the salad keeps its texture through breakfast service. A small handful of chopped mint or basil adds a bright herbal lift without overpowering the fruit. Keep the flavors simple so each fruit shines, and adjust sweetness with a touch of honey if needed to suit your taste. A light dressing of honey and lemon juice ties the salad together and enhances natural sweetness without being heavy. For extra creaminess and protein, fold in a dollop of yogurt or cottage cheese right before serving. Add toasted nuts or seeds for satisfying crunch and healthy fats. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness as needed, and serve chilled for a bright, energizing breakfast experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.